Hi, Stephanie Mitchell. I'm the manager of the Key Accounts Food Strategy team for Avery Dennison. So although our company has been here for numerous years, this is my first time coming here. It's been a really interesting experience, and I've certainly learned a lot from industry trends as well as from what some of the leading people in their space are doing. Some of the things that we've heard, especially through the talk tracks here as well as through our own customer insight, the trends and the challenges that they're facing are around inventory management, recall management, food waste. Avery Dennison is a global provider of industry solutions for the full food supply chain. And so one of the things that sets us apart is the fact that we're able to bring in different technologies as well as different applications that help to drive reduction in food waste, as well as inventory visibility and accuracy throughout the full food supply chain.